Hi everyone, welcome to Sol's Cooking. I'm going to show in this video my own way of cooking salt and pepper chicken wings. Simple and easy to follow, and here are our ingredients. For the marinade, we have 2 pounds of chicken wings. I'm using single chicken wings in this recipe. 1 cup of cooking wine, and I am using the sherry, but you can use any kind of cooking wine. 1 tablespoon grated ginger. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Make sure it's going to be very fine. Approximately 3 large cloves of garlic. Half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. 1 cup cornstarch for coating. And for our second ingredients, this is going to be after we fry the chicken. We have 1/4 sliced onion, 3 large cloves of garlic sliced, and 2 red Thai chilies. You can use the regular red chili or the green red chili if that's what you have. 2 green onion, I sliced them. Half a teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper, and half teaspoon of butter. First is we're going to marinate the chicken. I washed the chicken already, and I made sure I put a little slit or cut on the chicken wings. Now we're going to put our cooking wine on the chicken. And then the grated ginger. And the grated garlic. And your salt and pepper. And after mixing all together, you can leave it in the fridge for 20 minutes. It would be better if you can do it a night before and leave it overnight to marinate. After 20 minutes, guys, I took the chicken from the fridge and drain it. We just make sure that there's no water or there's nothing from the marinade that is going into your cornstarch coating mixture. We are going to coat the chicken just like this. Cornstarch make the chicken crispier. If you have the candy thermometer, that is the best that you can use to check the temperature of your oil. And our oil is almost ready. Do not overcrowd your pan, guys. And when the chicken is a golden brown, that means it's already cooked. Just take them out from the cooking oil and drain them on a cookie rack, or if you have a strainer, whatever you have. And after frying all the chicken, we're going to do the final touch. That's a half teaspoon of butter. My pan is still hot, and you're going to fry your sliced onion. I'm just going to add a bit more butter because I want it buttery. And when your onion is translucent, you can add your garlic. And now you can add your chilies. Sliced spring onion or green onion. And we're going to put all the chicken back to the pan. Your salt and pepper, and a dash of chicken powder. This is optional, guys, but it tastes better if you put some of that. And just incorporate all together. And the chicken wings is ready. Here is our salt and pepper chicken wings, guys. I hope you like my recipe. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions and suggestions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I appreciate if you like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.